Hi everyone, it's Laura, the quarantined gardener. Today's episode focuses on health and safety. Every year, 87,000 people are admitted to accident and emergency departments in the UK for gardening related accidents. In Ireland, there aren't any statistics. The statistics are only on farmyard and occupational related incidents and injuries. But we can assume it's the same order of percentage of the population who are affected. So some of the things I've witnessed with the beautiful weather are people using a lawnmower in sandals and bare feet, and I have to say it just gives me just such an uncomfortable feeling. The last time I was in A&E last summer with a relative, there was a man sitting next to us with his arm bandaged who had tried to fix the mower blades and they weren't quite finished running. So he had lost a couple of fingers. So just to say to you, that's number one on the accident list. So please wear boots, suitable footwear when you're using the lawnmower. And please, luckily it's dry at the moment, but if it's wet weather and the machine is getting clogged, wait until the blades have fully stopped before trying to clear the deck, and do so with a stick just to be 100% safe and make sure that your fingers are nowhere near any running parts of the machinery. The next is slips and trips, which we see here with the ladder. Falls would be a big source of injury, so even falling from the second rung of a ladder, you can get a nasty ankle and foot injury. So please make sure you use the safety device on the ladder and or have someone hold it for you, but please do that. Again, here we see, the blades and secateurs, so all of those can cause injury. So to use mindfully and with attention. To pay attention is the big thing, and also to wear gloves. And again, some plants have skin irritation type reactions like euphorbia, giant hogweed if you're weeding, obviously, and aconite leaves are poisonous, so to make sure you're wearing gloves if you've got aconite in your perennial borders. So the main thing is enjoy it. Gardening is a great activity, great for exercise, keeping us fit, out in the fresh air, getting oxygen, body moving, good for the immune system. But please just to be mindful and to take good care of yourselves when you're gardening. All right, happy gardening, people. And I might do some gentle warm up or cool down exercises next time, just to make sure. That's the other thing, don't overdo it and have, a back go out first day, major enthusiasm. We all do it, but please just be mindful of your body when it's saying that's enough for today. All right, take care everyone, bye.